Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're exploring one of the most outrageous and breathtaking luxury vehicle concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome is a machine that nobody expected, but everyone wants to see. Combining the aggressive styling of a Lamborghini supercar with the comfort of a five-star luxury residence, this futuristic motorhome pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and performance. Inspired by the legendary DNA of Lamborghini, this extraordinary creation is designed for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and luxury. The moment you see the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome, it becomes clear that this is unlike any RV ever built. The front fascia carries Lamborghini's unmistakable design language with razor-sharp body lines, a low-slung aerodynamic nose, and futuristic Y-shaped LED headlights. Every angle appears sculpted for speed, creating a bold and aggressive appearance that instantly separates it from conventional motorhomes. The illuminated front grille features active aerodynamic elements that automatically adjust depending on speed and driving conditions. Massive air intakes channel airflow across the body, improving efficiency and stability while adding to the dramatic visual impact. Even parked, the motorhome looks like it is moving. The side profile is perhaps the most impressive aspect of the exterior. Unlike traditional RVs with tall and boxy proportions, the Lamborghini Motorhome embraces a sleek, flowing silhouette inspired by the brand's most iconic supercars. Long sculpted lines stretch from front to rear, while hidden door handles and flush-mounted panels create a seamless appearance. Large panoramic smart glass windows run along the length of the cabin, allowing passengers to enjoy stunning scenery while maintaining complete privacy through adjustable transparency technology. Gigantic forged alloy wheels wrapped in premium tires enhance the vehicle's commanding presence and reinforce its supercar-inspired identity. One of the most innovative features is the expandable living space system. At the push of a button, sections of the side walls slide outward, dramatically increasing interior space. The roof transforms as well, revealing a retractable sky lounge complete with luxury seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic viewing areas. This rooftop retreat provides an incredible place to relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy spectacular landscapes from a unique perspective. The rear design is equally dramatic. A full-width LED light signature stretches across the back, accompanied by aggressive aerodynamic detailing and illuminated Lamborghini branding. Active spoilers and airflow management systems improve stability while preserving the stunning appearance. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Lamborghini's signature combination of performance-inspired design and premium craftsmanship is visible everywhere. The cabin features hand-stitched leather upholstery, Alcantara surfaces, forged carbon fiber trim, polished aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The main lounge area serves as the centerpiece of the interior. Spacious reclining seats equipped with massage, heating, cooling, and memory functions provide first-class comfort. A transparent OLED entertainment display rises from the floor when needed and disappears completely when not in use, maintaining the clean and futuristic appearance of the cabin. A premium surround sound audio system transforms the lounge into a private theater experience. Combined with panoramic windows and a full-length glass roof, the space feels open, bright, and incredibly luxurious. Intelligent lighting systems automatically adapt to the time of day, creating the perfect atmosphere whether traveling, dining, or relaxing. The kitchen area demonstrates that luxury and practicality can coexist perfectly. Premium stone countertops, illuminated cabinetry, and high-end finishes create a sophisticated environment. The kitchen includes a smart induction cooktop, advanced refrigerator, espresso machine, convection oven, wine storage system, and touch-sensitive controls. Every detail has been designed to provide the convenience of a luxury home while traveling. Moving toward the rear, the master suite offers an extraordinary level of comfort. A king-size floating bed sits at the center of the room, surrounded by ambient lighting and panoramic smart glass windows. During the day, occupants can enjoy breathtaking views, while privacy mode transforms the space into a secluded sanctuary at night. Integrated climate controls, wireless charging stations, personal entertainment systems, and intelligent storage solutions ensure every journey feels effortless. The suite is designed to provide hotel-level luxury regardless of destination. Adjacent to the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom that rivals those found in premium resorts. A spacious rainfall shower, heated flooring, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water management systems create a relaxing and elegant environment. Intelligent recycling and purification technologies support extended off-grid travel without sacrificing comfort. Performance is where the Lamborghini Motorhome truly sets itself apart from every other luxury RV concept. The 2027 model is expected to feature an advanced hybrid electric drivetrain inspired by Lamborghini's next generation of high-performance vehicles. Combining a twin-turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors, total output could exceed 1,200 horsepower. While a motorhome will never behave exactly like a supercar, this concept aims to deliver acceleration, responsiveness, and driving dynamics that far surpass traditional luxury RVs. Instant electric torque ensures smooth acceleration, while intelligent all-wheel drive continuously optimizes traction and control. The adaptive air suspension system constantly monitors road conditions and adjusts automatically to provide exceptional comfort. Whether cruising on highways, navigating winding mountain roads, or traveling through remote destinations, passengers enjoy a remarkably smooth and refined experience. Technology plays a major role in enhancing both safety and convenience. Semi-autonomous driving systems, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, and a comprehensive 360-degree camera network work together to reduce driver fatigue and improve confidence behind the wheel. The cockpit features a massive curved digital display spanning the dashboard. Navigation, vehicle diagnostics, performance information, energy management systems, and entertainment controls are presented through an intuitive interface. Voice command functionality allows passengers to manage lighting, climate settings, multimedia systems, and seating positions with simple instructions. Connectivity is equally impressive. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, smart home integration, cloud-based vehicle monitoring, and remote control capabilities transform the motorhome into a fully connected luxury residence. Owners can manage systems remotely and stay connected virtually anywhere in the world. Now let's discuss pricing. As expected, exclusivity comes with a substantial price tag. Industry estimates suggest that the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome would start around $3 million. Fully customized versions featuring bespoke interiors, rare materials, advanced technology packages, and personalized design options could easily exceed $7 million, making it one of the most expensive and exclusive motorhomes ever imagined. The 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome represents a bold vision of what the future of luxury travel could become. It combines supercar-inspired design, cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and world-class comfort into a single vehicle unlike anything currently on the road. For travelers who believe luxury should have no limits and every journey should be an unforgettable experience, this extraordinary motorhome proves that the future of RV living is faster, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.